You know that feeling when you finally lie down and your brain decides it's time to relive every awkward moment since 2014? Yeah, I've been there. I used to toss, turn, and wake up feeling more tired than before. But that changed once I started following 10 insanely practical sleep hygiene habits. No gimmicks, just real results. If you're ready to finally get better sleep, this video's for you. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm all about simple, science-backed habits that actually help you live better. And today we're tackling a big one, sleep. Because let's be real, if your sleep sucks, everything feels off. I used to run on 5 hours of broken sleep and iced coffee. Now I wake up feeling rested, sharp, and calm, thanks to 10 small but mighty sleep hygiene habits. Let's jump in. 1. Consistent sleep and wake time. Yes, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your internal clock, circadian rhythm. It's like giving your brain a bedtime story every night, predictable and soothing. No more confusing your body with 3 a.m. Netflix binges on Friday night. 2. The 60-minute wind-down rule. An hour before bed, I shut down all intense brain activity. No work emails, no crime shows, no scrolling Reddit threads. Instead, I light a candle, read, stretch, or just vibe in silence. This signals my brain, hey, it's time to chill. 3. Screens out. Blue light is not your friend. Blue light from phones, TVs, and tablets suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. I use blue light blocking glasses after 7 p.m., and I keep screens out of my bedroom. Bonus, I stopped doom scrolling, and my mental health improved too. 4. Cool, dark, and quiet bedroom. Sleep thrives in cave-like conditions. I keep my room around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, use blackout curtains, and run a white noise machine to drown out distractions. If you're sleeping in a hot, noisy, bright room, your brain stays alert instead of relaxed. 5. No caffeine after 2 p.m. This one hurt, but it helped so much. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours, so that 4 p.m. iced latte might be sabotaging your 10 p.m. sleep. I swapped late coffee for herbal teas like chamomile or lemon balm, and my sleep quality skyrocketed. 6. Daily movement, but not too late. Exercise helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper, but timing matters. Intense workouts right before bed can spike cortisol. I aim for morning or early afternoon movement. Even a brisk 20-minute walk does wonders. 7. No heavy meals, close to bedtime. Digestion takes energy. If you're going to sleep with a full belly, your body's working overtime instead of resting. I try to eat my last big meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Light snacks like banana and almond butter, totally fine. 8. Mind dump journaling. If your brain won't stop spinning at night, write it all down. Every worry, task, thought. This tells your mind, we've captured it. You can rest now. It's like clearing mental clutter before bedtime. Life-changing. 9. No alcohol as a sleep aid. Alcohol might help you fall asleep faster, but it wrecks REM sleep, the deepest, most restorative stage. I used to drink wine at night thinking it helped until I woke up groggy and moody. Now I hydrate and unwind the natural way. 10. Treat your bed like a sacred sleep zone. Your brain should associate your bed with one thing: rest, not work, not eating, not scrolling TikTok. When you reserve your bed only for sleep and intimacy, your brain learns to switch into off mode faster when you lie down. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It impacts your mood, hormones, digestion, and even how you age. If you're running on fumes, these habits aren't optional, they're essential. But don't try all 10 at once. Pick one. Commit to it. Build momentum. Good sleep is the foundation of a good life. And I promise, with just a few tweaks, you can actually look forward to bedtime again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs better sleep, and comment below. Which habit are you starting tonight? And hey, sweet dreams.